Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Box. So today we are doing something extra wild. Normally I am all about getting 17 hottest haircuts, but today we are throwing that out the window. That's right, I am about to get an ugly plates haircuts. Yep, you heard my an ugly radial haircuts. Look at this perfectly normal hair. I mean, it's fine, but I figure why not to mix it up and go for something so bad that it's maybe Canada also. Okay, Taylor, I am trusting you to take me to the next level. No turning back from this. Oh, I have been waiting for this day. We are going all out. Jordan thin plates on your heads, not your typical cute bob vibe. We are aiming for something I do not know, like a plate sticking challenge. Yes, plates on my head, that's exactly what I want. Let's do it. Just do not blame me if it's a little much. Okay, so right now I am kinda regretting this decision. I did say ugly plates, but I did not think it would like this. I mean, look at my hair right now, Taylor giving me a whole new vibe. I was not accepting, and look at this shape. It's totally plates inspired, super event rare, definitely something unique. I look like a walking display, but honestly, I think I am vibing with it. I am getting a little plate in the best way possible. I am not gonna lie, I'm feeling like a human plate holder right now. But you know what? This is art, right? This is high fashion, right? Like I am the future of hairstyling. Oh my god, you guys heard it here first. Next time, ball haircuts. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.